Alrighty, hello everybody. This is another Hot Wheels collector video, and today I've got another brand new for 2025 Hot Wheels casting here for you guys. This is the 96 Dodge Viper GTS. This thing has been done in a very interesting metallic bluish purple colour. Love the colour, very accurate to the real life car. Looking fantastic. This thing is rolling on 5-spoke wheels which have been painted in chrome. Looks great. As you can see, this thing doesn't have any tamper work along the side, but in the metal casting you can see this thing's side vent there on the front fender. We've also got wing mirrors in the casting as well, which is great. There's the fuel filler there as well. In the metal casting, you can see this thing does have clear window plastic and its windows are completely wound up. On to the front of this car then, you can see we've got the headlights tampered here in a realistic look. We've also got the Viper badge there as well, and we've got two white pinstripes which go all the way from the front to the rear of the car. Look absolutely stunning. In the metal casting, we've also got this car's front grille there, done very, very nicely. And we've also got this car's front, I believe, fog lights as well in the metal casting there too. Looks very accurate to the real life car. They've done a great job there. You can also see from the front here, we've also got a little hood vent as well. You can see it from the front. It's a very pronounced feature, just like the real life car. Looks awesome. Moving on to the next side then, this side's the same as the previous, other than we've got no fuel filler cap there. So onto the rear, plenty of tamper work details here. We've got the rear lights here done very, very nicely, including the brake lights, the turn signals, and of course the reverse lights. We've also got a lovely rear plate on this thing as well, which does read Hot Wheels and also Viper there. Love the text font for that Viper, looks absolutely stunning. You can see this car's double stripe does continue onto the rear of the car there as well. Onto the metal casting and plastic, you can see this thing does have two exhaust pipes on the back, created by the black base plastic of this thing. Very, very cool. And we've got a few vents on the back of this thing as well. Very low down on the rear bumper in the metal casting there. And you can see where the obvious license plate goes is also in the metal casting too. It's not just tampered on there. Very, very cool. On to the top then, we've got this sort of ducktail type spoiler there. You can see looks really, really good, accurate to the real life car. You can see this thing's black interior plastic there through the rear window. Very, very cool. Moving on to the roof, you can see obviously the stripes there in white. On the hood, we've got some more vents there. So we've got two vents which do lead through to the see-through window plastic of this thing. And we've got two more which are just engraved into the metal casting there on the front fender portion of this thing. This thing also unfortunately does not have any front windshield wipers, which is a real shame. I do love it when Hot Wheels add front windshield wipers to their castings. I think it makes them look a lot more realistic. Real shame they're not on this thing, but hey ho. This thing still looks great in my opinion. Looks really, really good and accurate to the real life car. I can't ask for much more. And that's it for this one. What a great model, what a great casting. I know we had a similar convertible version come out last year and people were wanting this version with a hard top and a slightly different trim. This one obviously being the GTS instead of the RT. So yeah, a slightly different trim, a bit more sporty, bit cooler. And people are just loving this thing, and I love it as well. Let me know what you guys think of this casting in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? I want to hear all of that in your comments. But yeah, that's really it for this video, so I thank you for making it all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you are new. I would really appreciate it if you do either or both of those things. And yeah, that's really it for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye everyone, take care.